Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change Subaru Crosstrek key battery. Only way. Use a small flat tool to pry the fob open at the seam, lift the plastic cover, and remove the old CR2032 battery carefully. Note the battery orientation before removing it. Insert the new CR2032 with the positive side facing up, press the cover back into place, and test the key fob buttons to confirm operation. Start by separating the key blade if needed, then slide a flat tool into the fob seam and twist gently to pop it open. Carefully lift the battery retainer and remove the old CR2032, checking contacts for corrosion. Place the replacement CR2032 into the holder with the positive side up, align the halves, and press firmly until you hear a click. Test lock, unlock, and panic functions to ensure the fob works correctly. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more useful how-tos. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and voice control into your garage or workshop, making hands-free timers and instructions much easier while you work. It fits small spaces and sounds punchy for its size. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If the key fob does not respond, reopen the case and confirm the CR2032 sits flat and oriented correctly, then reseat it. Clean any corrosion or dirt on the metal contacts using a cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol, allow to dry, and reinstall the battery. If the fob still fails after a fresh battery, the internal circuit or transmitter may be faulty, and seeking professional help from a dealer or locksmith is the next reasonable step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.